The 6 Simple Principles of Viral Marketing. Welcome to today's video on the 6 Simple Principles of Viral Marketing. In this video, we will guide you through every principle, offering a detailed plan with clear steps and showcasing successful examples of companies that have expertly applied these techniques. Principle 1. Social currency. To generate social currency, it is essential to ensure that your content is easily shareable and offers value that reflects positively on others or enhances their knowledge. Create captivating content that evokes emotions or provides unique insights. Example 1. Dove's Real Beauty Sketches campaign challenged traditional beauty standards by creating irresistible content that encouraged women to celebrate their natural beauty. By challenging societal standards, it sparked a collective movement that instilled confidence and self-assurance in women. Example 2. The humorous viral video created by Dollar Shave Club presented a one-of-a-kind and captivating viewpoint on men's grooming, thereby making it extremely shareable within its intended audience. Incorporate exclusivity or insider knowledge into your content. Example 1. Airbnb's Night At campaign provided a unique opportunity to stay in extraordinary locations, crafting an unparalleled experience that individuals were eager to share with their companions. Example 2. Red Bull's Stratos campaign shared Felix Baumgartner's record-breaking skydive, providing insider access to an extraordinary event. Encourage user-generated content and participation. Example 1. GoPro's Photo of the Day campaign was a remarkable invitation for users to showcase their breathtaking action shots, effectively forming a vibrant community of devoted enthusiasts eager to exchange their exhilarating experiences. Example 2. Starbucks organizes a yearly competition called the Red Cup Contest, giving customers the opportunity to showcase their creative and festive cup designs on various social media platforms. This generates excitement and encourages user participation. Principle 2. Triggers. Triggers are stimuli that remind people of your brand or message and prompt them to take action. Let's explore how to implement this principle. Identify relevant triggers that align with your brand and target audience. Example 1. Kit Kat's Take a Break campaign cleverly utilized the concept of daily pauses to rekindle people's desire for their delectable chocolate bars, serving as a delightful indulgence amidst the hustle and bustle of their everyday lives. Example 2. Oreo's clever move during the Super Bowl blackout, with the "Dunk in the Dark" tweet, ingeniously utilized a momentous occurrence to captivate audiences and stir up excitement. Establish a powerful connection between your brand or message and these stimuli through imaginative and captivating content. Example 1. Old Spice's "The Man Your Man Could Smell Like" campaign successfully linked their brand to both humor and masculinity, resulting in unforgettable content that stemmed from personal care routines. Example 2. Nike's renowned Just Do It campaign effectively linked its brand with inspiration and individual triumph by employing stimuli relevant to sports and athletic prowess. Utilize social media platforms and influencers to amplify triggers and increase engagement. Example 1. Wendy's Twitter account cleverly responded with humorous remarks about fast food, captivating their audience and generating viral attention. Example 2. The Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS utilized influences and triggers related to personal challenges to create a worldwide movement. Principle 3. Emotion. Emotion is a powerful tool in viral marketing as it creates connections and encourages sharing. Let's see how you can evoke emotions effectively. Understand your target audience's desires, challenges, and aspirations. Example 1. The Always #LikeAGirl campaign successfully tapped into the powerful emotions of empowerment and fearlessly challenged long-standing gender stereotypes. Its impact resonated deeply with the young girls and women in its audience, leaving an indelible mark that will not soon be forgotten. Example 2. The Year in Search videos from Google stir up deep emotions as they reflect upon the impactful events and moments that have captivated the entire globe. Craft narratives that tell relatable stories and elicit emotions. Example 1. Airbnb's Belong Anywhere campaign tells stories of unique travel experiences, evoking emotions of adventure, connection, and discovery. Example 2. Coca-Cola's Holidays Are Coming campaign evokes a delightful sense of nostalgia and sparks joy through its captivating holiday-themed advertisements that have transformed into true icons. Use visuals, music, and storytelling techniques to enhance emotional impact. Example 1. John Lewis annual Christmas advertisements in the UK are renowned for their poignant storytelling, complemented by meticulously selected music that intensifies the emotional journey. Example 2, P&G's Thank You, Mom campaign honors the remarkable emotional journey of mothers who unfailingly support their children throughout sporting events, captivating audiences with impactful visuals and compelling storytelling techniques. Principle 4, Practical Value. Providing useful and valuable content is key to engaging your audience. Let's look at how to incorporate practical value into your viral marketing campaigns. Identify your audience's needs, challenges, or interests. Example 1. Tasty's recipe videos offer practical value as they showcase simple and straightforward cooking instructions for various dishes, appealing to all food enthusiasts. Example 2. Lifehackers articles provide valuable advice and clever strategies for tackling the challenges of everyday life that often perplex their tech-savvy readership. Create informative content that solves problems or offers valuable insights. Example 1. TED Talks offer practical value by sharing inspiring speeches on a diverse range of topics, providing valuable knowledge and insights for personal development. Example 2. HubSpot's marketing resources offer invaluable guidance and a range of powerful tools to empower businesses in enhancing their marketing strategies, enabling them to conquer their objectives. Make your content easily accessible and shareable. Example 1. BuzzFeed's listicles and quizzes make it easy for users to consume and share entertaining content with their networks. Example 2. LinkedIn's professional articles platform enables industry experts to freely share their knowledge and insights, thereby providing professionals with seamless access to invaluable information. Principle 5. Simplifying sharing. Making it easy for users to share your content is crucial for viral success. Let's see how you can simplify the sharing process. Incorporate social sharing buttons on your website or content platforms. Example 1. The New York Times articles are equipped with social sharing buttons, allowing readers to effortlessly share articles with their social media networks. Example 2. Did you know that YouTube videos come with built-in sharing options? This incredible feature allows viewers to effortlessly share videos across different platforms in just a few simple clicks. Optimize sharing mechanisms for mobile devices. Example 1. Instagram's interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing users to easily share photos and videos from their mobile devices, simplifying the process of sharing visual content. Example 2. Snapchat streamlines the sharing process by incorporating features like snap codes and quick sharing options, which are specifically designed to cater to its mobile user base. Encourage users to share by offering incentives or rewards. Example 1. Dropbox offers its users the enticing opportunity to earn extra storage space by simply referring their friends to sign up for the service. This incentive motivates users to spread the word about the platform within their networks. Example 2. Uber offers referral codes that provide discounts or free rides to both the person who refers and the person being referred, promoting the sharing of positive experiences among users. Principle 6. Storytelling. Crafting compelling narratives helps create emotional connections and captivate audiences. Let's explore how you can utilize storytelling effectively. Develop relatable characters or situations that resonate with your target audience. Example 1. Nike's Dream Crazier campaign featured powerful stories of female athletes overcoming barriers and inspiring women around the world. Example 2. Apple's product launch events masterfully utilize storytelling techniques to unveil new products, effectively creating a sense of anticipation and excitement that resonates deeply with a devoted fan base. Establish a clear conflict or challenge that your target audience can relate to. Example 1. The #LikeAGirl campaign by Always effectively highlighted the obstacles that young girls encounter because of societal stereotypes, motivating viewers to actively confront and redefine these norms. Example 2. Dove's Real Beauty Sketches campaign powerfully depicted the internal struggles that countless women endure when it comes to their self-image and societal expectations of beauty. Present a resolution aligned with your brand's message or values. Example 1. Patagonia's The Stories We Wear campaign centered around sustainability and mindful consumption, sharing narratives of individuals who truly embody their brand principles. Example 2. Airbnb's captivating Stories from the Airbnb Community series has beautifully showcased inspiring narratives of hosts and guests transcending cultural boundaries, perfectly encapsulating the essence of belonging that lies at the core of their vision. And there you have it. The 6 simple principles of viral marketing with step-by-step plans and examples from successful companies. By comprehending these principles and implementing them strategically, you have the power to generate influential viral marketing campaigns that not only reach a broader audience but also boost brand exposure and foster heightened engagement. So go ahead and unleash the power of viral marketing for your business. If you like this video, subscribe for more marketing insights.